ground copy. Number 1 is turning.
Clear start engine 1.
Turn engine number 1.
Life open.
Checked. Maximum immediately. 354.
Galaxy 551, taxi to holding point runway 04.
Tax holding point runway 04, Galaxy 551.
Left side clear.
Right side clear.
Galaxy 551, Roger, you are clear for takeoff, runway 04, wind 110 degrees, 7 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 04, Galaxy 551.
Have a nice flight.
Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.
We have controls. I have ATC.
I have control the ATC. Takeoff. Very good flights. Trust SRS runway.
V1. Rotate. Push.
Gear up.
Number 2 engage.
Engaged. Command 2.
Zagreb, good morning. Galaxy 551. Just say about budget 1 whiskey.
Galaxy 551, Zagreb, good morning. Identified, climb to flight level 180 unrestricted.
Please traffic line.
Galaxy 551, clear direct deposit.
Direct deposit, Galaxy 551. Speed. Start.
Start to track.
Zaten dönüyor sonra. Podet on top.
Correct. 309 degrees, 31 miles.
Check. Altimeter standard.
Standard 1013. 10,000.
10,000.
Now.
Airport select.
Grazie 658, clear direct to US.
To News 658.
Green radar, connect Galaxy 551, climb 320% RQ.
Galaxy 551, hello, identified, direct to Babek.
Direct to Babek, Galaxy 551.
Babek.
Babek on time.
We taxi to the holding point runway 04 via Foxtrot and Alpha. Then we execute the Podet 1 Whiskey SID. After takeoff, we maintain the runway heading through the Zulu Alpha 801 point, and ATC gave us a direct Podet point. That's it, and then we continue our route through Austria, and it will take 1.5 hours to arrive Charles de Gaulle.
Galaxy 551, turn left
10 degrees, descend flight level 170.
Left 10 degrees, then 170, black sea 551.
170W275.
Charlie Romeo, a priori ça sera bon avec De Gaulle, vous verrez avec De Gaulle au premier contact.
Merci
beaucoup, Charlie Romeo.
Charlie français en 540.
Je vous écoute.
Oui, du coup en réduisant, on fera pas de 150 à Colombie, c'est bien.
Non, c'est pas grave, faut bien réduire un jour quand même. Et poursuivez la descente même au niveau. Black Sea 551, descend level 70.
Descend level 70, Black Sea 551.
70W, VSW.
Check. And identification okay.
Thank you.
De Gaulle Air France 94, Mike X-Ray, bonjour, en descente le niveau 190 sur Urelo.
Black Sea 551, bonjour, turn left heading 240, descent altitude 4000 feet, QNH 1010, vector ILS 9 left.
Heading 240, 4000, on gauge 1010, vector ILS 09 left, Black Sea 551.
India 7 November Alpha, turn left heading 120, cleared ILS approach 9 left.
240.
1010 set. Left heading 120, cleared ILS is 09 left and free speed, general 71000.
7,400 now.
Yankee, descendez 5000 pieds, 1010, autorisé, approche ILS 08 droite.
Descend 5000 pieds, QNH
level change much better.
autorisé, approche ILS 08 droite, Air France 92, Juliette Yankee.
Black Sea 551, turn left heading 180, speed 220.
Left heading 180, speed 220, Black Sea 551.
Static.
Static then. Heading 180 set.
India 7 November Alpha, proceeding traffic on very short final, contact the tower 119.25, goodbye.
Mustache.
Black Sea 551, continue left heading 120, cleared ILS approach 9 left.
Continuing 120, cleared 09 left, Black Sea 551.
80, vectors ILS 8 right.
Descend to flight level 80, vectors for the ILS 8 right, let's see the 702.
Air France 87 Charlie Victor, descendez 5000 pieds, 1010.
Can you reduce speed down?
Flap 15.
Speed check.
Air France 87 Charlie
Set.
Victor, réduisez vers 189. On va descendre 189, France 87 Charlie Victor.
Take move.
Established localized is right, 09 left, Black Sea 551.
Black Sea 559, Roger, I confirm cleared full ILS.
Clear for it, 551.
Air France 79 Charlie Romeo, à gauche, direct Papa Golf 670,
Approach
approche
4000
RNP
set.
09 gauche.
Alors à gauche, Golf, Papa.
Air France 87 Charlie Victor, réduisez vers 160 nœuds, vous êtes 3 nautiques derrière un 3.
On va dire 135, Air France 87 Charlie Victor.
Left 70.
20.
41-46 à droite, le cap 060, autorisé à approcher ILS 08 droite.
À droite, le 4060, autorisé à approcher le 08 droite, Air France 41 46.
Gear down.
Line Chile 702, descend flight level 70.
Spits.
Descend level 70, let's see the 702.
Black Sea 551, contact the tower 119.25, goodbye.
11925, alright, Black Sea 551. Eagle Tower, adapter, Black Sea 551, left side 09 left.
Black Sea 551, bonjour, crossing traffic Embraer 190 on the runway, winds 120 degrees 8 knots, runway 09 left, clear to land.
Runway 09 left, clear to land, Black Sea 551. Okay, down triggering.
Check.
Camrock 525, bonjour, from Delta 3, line up and wait runway 09 right.
Another ultimate, alive.
Camrock 525, bonjour, from Delta 3,
Yes,
line up
sorry.
and wait runway 09 right.
Check speed. Left 4
Stand by,
set.
Shamrock 525, we'll call you back.
Copy. India 7 November Alpha, hold short of front.
Landing checks.
Landing check this courier.
Advise.
Landing gear.
Down trigger.
Auto brake.
Low.
Unskid.
Checked.
Slots flaps.
30-40.
Spoilers.
Spoiler sound.
Landing check is complete. Have a
Thank
very
you.
nice landing. We have landing clearance. Taxi. Course set.
Check. Autopilot off.
Check.
Get 1.
500. 400.
400 and land.
Land.
Under
300.
the minimum.
Continue.
Like that.
200.
Minimum.
Continue.
Check. Sakin.
100. 100.
Güzel.
50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Dur. Fazla değil. Tamam. Güzel. Çok güzel. Reverse. Unlock. Reverse grid decelerate. Hoppa. I have.
You have.
Bonjour Air France 79 Charlie Romeo, finale 09 gauche. France 79 Charlie Romeo, bonjour numéro 1, vent 122,9 nœuds, piste 09 gauche, autorisé atterrissage. Black Sea 551, hold short of runway 09 right, holding point kilo 6.
Hold short of runway 09 right, holding point kilo 6 Black Sea, 551.
Charmant.
Course set. Check.
500. 400. 300.
minimum.
200.
Minimum.
100. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Çok güzel. Reverse. Unlock. Reverse grid decelerate. Hoppa.
400. 300. 200.
Minimum.
100. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Reverse. Unlock. Reverse grid decelerate. Hoppa.
300. 200.
Minimum.
100, 100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Reverse, online. Reverse speed, just a little. Not bad. I have.
Now we are in Paris, Charles de Gaulle. Welcome to Charles de Gaulle, and we will prepare our aircraft for the last sector to back Istanbul.